At the very bottom of the planet, where maps begin to blur and civilization fades, there is a land shaped by wind, ice, and time. Patagonia. They call it the edge of the world.
Welcome to Patagonia, the edge of the earth.
Getting here isn't easy. It takes planes, buses, long roads, early mornings, and patience. But Patagonia doesn't reward convenience. It rewards commitment. And the ones who come don't just visit, they arrive. Patagonia stretches across two nations, Chile to the west, Argentina to the east, separated by mountains, weather, and wild beauty. On one side, towering granite spires. On the other, endless plains and massive glaciers. Crossing between them feels like crossing worlds. The air gets colder, the wind gets louder, and the land starts to speak for itself. Cities disappear, cell signals fade, and what's left is space. Space to walk, space to breathe, space to feel small in the best way possible. In Patagonia, you don't explore from a distance. You earn every view with your legs. Every day begins with a pack, a trail, and the unknown ahead. Forest twists around ancient roots. Rocks rise like walls. Trails climb without apology. Some paths are gentle, others feel vertical. You climb, you sweat, you slow down. And somewhere between the effort and the silence, your mind starts to clear. There's no rush here. Patagonia sets the pace, one step at a time. The mountains in Patagonia don't just sit there, they challenge you. Jagged peaks stretched into the clouds, carved by glaciers older than memory. The wind never stops talking. It pushes, it whistles, it reminds you that this land is alive. Sometimes it feels like the mountains are watching, not judging, just witnessing. And when the clouds lift, the reward is unreal. Endless ridges, blue shadows, light pouring across stone, moments where words stop working. In Patagonia, the weather is never a background character. It's part of the story. 1 minute, the trail is clear. The next, the sky closes in. Clouds roll fast, wind sharpens, and suddenly, snow falls where yesterday was dirt and stone. A storm can arrive without warning. Visibility shrinks, fingers go numb, and the mountains disappear behind white silence. But Patagonia never stays one thing for long. Just as quickly, the wind pushes the clouds away. Blue breaks through, light spills back onto the peaks, snow melts into sparkle. And the same trail that felt hostile moments ago suddenly feels welcoming again. Out here, you learn to respect change, because every storm carries the promise of an even better sky. Patagonia is frozen motion. Massive glaciers crawl slowly toward the sea, moving inches per day, shaping valleys over thousands of years. You hear them before you see them, cracks, groans, thunder when ice breaks away. Standing near a glacier feels like standing next to time itself. Cold air drifts off blue ice, and suddenly you realize how fast our lives move compared to how slowly the earth rotates. Not all of Patagonia is ice and sky. Deep forests wrap around the trails, moss covers stone, rivers carve through valleys. Some sections are quiet, others demand attention. Loose rock, narrow edges, steep inclines where the trail feels more like a question than a path. Can you keep going? You lean forward, trust your footing, and climb anyway. Patagonia teaches patience. Out here, ego disappears fast. The land is too big, the sky is too wide. Problems from home get quieter. Emails don't matter. Deadlines fade. What matters is weather, water, warmth, and movement. Patagonia strips life back to basics. Walk, look, breathe. And in doing that, you remember what it feels like to be human again. Patagonia isn't only wilderness, it's warmth after cold, it's laughter after silence. After long days on the trail, boots come off, packs hit the floor, and stories finally start to flow. In small towns across Chile and Argentina, the culture feels alive in simple ways. Plates filled with color, bread still warm. Steaming meals that feel heavier in your hands because you actually earn them. There's something different about food after a hike. Every bite tastes louder. The cold makes you feel grateful. The effort makes you present. And then, the beer. Cold glass. First sip. That quiet moment when the legs finally stop moving and the day settles in. It's not just drinking. It's celebrating the miles. Patagonia feeds more than hunger. It feeds the part of you that worked for the view. Every hard climb ends the same way. Silence, then awe. Lakes glowing beneath peaks, clouds drifting between mountains, light bouncing off snow and stone. You stop talking, not because you're tired, but because the view says enough. These are the moments you don't scroll past, you carry them home. Patagonia doesn't just show you beauty, it leaves fingerprints on your memory. Patagonia is far. It's cold, it's windy, it's inconvenient, and that's exactly why it matters. The hardest places to reach often give us the most in return. Here, at the edge of the world, you don't just see landscapes, you feel them in your legs, in your lungs, in your perspective. Patagonia doesn't ask for much, just that you show up and walk forward. And if you do, it gives you something rare. A reminder of how big the world is and how alive we still are inside of it.